সবাইকে নববর্ষের শুভেচ্ছা ও ভালোবাসা। And this is the first day of Bengali calendar we called Pohela Boishakh. And today I want to talking about Pohela Boishakh. This is the great festival for the Bengali person, especially who are belong from West Bengal and Bangladesh. And on this day we are celebrated Pohela Boishakh. And this is the special day for the Bengali person. And in this day, and we wear new clothes and we decorate our house with alpona in the various color. And after that, and we welcome this day when the sun is rising, and we welcome and we start our day in the new way. And this is the color of festival, light of festival. And on this day we forget about our fault and we forget about our failure. We just try to start with the new way. And the Pohela Boishakh is very important for the Bengali person. And we wear the new cloth and we visit the temple and we pray to God and we start our day in the new way. This is the light of festival, color of festival. And especially and on this day shop businessmen open their new account and they decorate their shop with alpona with various light and color, and they call their customer and they offer sweet and new calendar. And it is the special day of the Bengali person, especially in the school college they arrange a function, especially the cultural program like folk song, dance, and in the various way they celebrate this day. And even especially and in this day we prepared the various item in our house like fish, meat, dohi, mishti. And this is the important of Pohela Boishakh, and especially who are the Bengali, they known this is the beautiful day of our life. And we just try to start our day in the new way. And especially and it is called our tradition, it is our folk festival, and it is celebrated, especially it is the ancient festival when the jomidari system was prevalent, and that time farmer takes loan from them landlord. After that in this day farmer paid their loan to the landlord, and after that landlords offer sweet new calendar. And this is the light of festival, joy of festival. And I hope that everyone start their life in the new way. And this is the light of festival, this is the joy of festival. And but we are forget about this day, the importance of the day, because we are change the evolution of time. The time is changed, that's why we forget our traditional culture, traditional heritage. And on this day men wear Punjabi, women wear sari, and they visit temple and pray to God. They try to start their day in the new way. And I hope that everyone start their day in the new way, and God also bless to everyone. So thank you so much everyone. See you on next video. Tata, bye.